Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today, I will tell you how to make money by playing games where you can make money by investing if you want without investment. Please subscribe to my channel for support purposes. Turn on notifications, like the video. I will tell you about earning without investing. We register on the site and enter the necessary information. Then we log in with the information we registered on the site. We touch the water icon to collect the water. We have to come and collect the water in 1 hour. If you want, you can deposit money. I do not recommend depositing money. When you collect the water, the meter starts working. You can increase the level of your well. You can collect it automatically without entering every hour. You need to deposit money for this. It is not an investment recommendation. The second method of earning money. We give water to the animal here and get energy. We turn the energy into wool. We can wait for a certain time and collect the wool. Again, there is a time and level system for this. You can sell water and wool quickly and earn money in the quick selling section of the market. Take care here. You can sell water and wool that way. As you can see, you earn very simple money. You are developing products here. You need the necessary materials for this. For example, water. You can develop them if you want. Here is the level system again. You can grow seeds here, but you need to buy a field for this. Of course, you have to pay a fee. You can see what you have in my inventory. In this section, you can find information about the site and the game. Here you can find information about me. How much money do I earn? How much water do I have? You can buy shares here. Here you can do tasks such as survey. By the way, I have never done it. I don't have time anyway. You can deposit money here. It's your choice. I take no responsibility. You can withdraw money from here. There are many payment methods. You should be careful. All of them have different lower payment limits. I received the payments with Faucet Pay. To get paid, you first set the payment method. You confirm the email. Then you come here and withdraw money. Hello, friends. You can ask everything you want to ask. I cannot explain in detail because I do not speak English. I'm not deceiving you like other YouTuber channels. Take care of yourself. Bye. Yes, the last part is left. You can earn from those who have registered with your reference link. Take care of yourself. If you want to hang out with me, if you want to ask questions, I'm always here, available on my other channels.